Hey all, welcome back to my channel. This is Daljit and in today's video we are going to review this chemical peeling solution by Ordinary. I'm sure you guys have already heard a lot about it, but because it is chemical solution you guys are too afraid to put it on your face. So keep watching this video and see if this product is worth putting on your face or not. First and foremost, let's talk about packaging. It's nothing fancy, comes in a glass bottle and has this dropper with it. The consistency inside it is quite liquidy and the color is deep red that you can see. It's almost like vampire facials. We'll talk about it in a bit when we are going to do the application thing. I'll let you know that how this one feels on the skin as well. Next, let's talk about ingredients in this one. So this one has quite big list of ingredients. There are so many chemical names. For example, lactic acid, glycolic acid, tartic acid. There are so many acid in this, but let's sum it up. It has AHA and BHA in this, and then this one also has pepperberry extract. AHA works on the upper layer of the skin and it works with texturizing, I would say re-texturizing the skin. It will give you that glow to the skin and will give you that exfoliant feel to the skin. While BHA works on the inner layer of the skin, it will clear the pores, it will control the sebum production in your skin, and ultimately it will help with the acne as well. Whereas the pepperberry that is there in this is actually a soothing ingredient that will actually calm the effect of this chemical when you're going to put it on your face. And also that the color that you see over here, this deep red color, is also because of that pepperberry extract. The Ordinary products are quite easily available within US. You can order them through the Amazon, you can buy them at Ulta, or you can directly order them from the Ordinary website. These are priced at nearly about $7 to $10 based upon from where you are going to buy it. Within India, you can buy them from the Amazon, and there are a couple of Instagram stores that have these Ordinary products, and the price varies somewhere between 1400 to 1600. That I would say is not really pricey considering the quantity that you would be using at one go. This product lasts nearly about 1 year or so. Now, if you guys are really afraid to put chemical exfoliant on your face, let me make one thing really clear. There are some of the physical scrubs that make your skin look very clear, and when you actually scrub them on your face, those particles, maybe they give you a feel that they are actually clearing up the dead skin, but there are some of these scrubs that are too harsh on your skin. They actually tear up your skin that you cannot actually see with the naked eyes, but internally your skin is getting damaged. While these chemical exfoliants, they do not have any harsh particle within them. So what they do when you apply these on your skin, it will just mildly exfoliate already dead skin. It will not cut or bruise your face. So when I'm saying that chemical exfoliant is actually gentle than the physical one, you need to try this one, and then you have to comment down in the comment section below and let me know, yeah, this was mild. Obviously, because it is chemical, there are few things that we would have to take care. This is obviously not an easy game. This is definitely gentle as I said, but you have to be really careful. There are few points that you would have to consider while applying this one, and if you are taking care of them, this is going to be your next best friend. So let's talk about those points. First thing, when you are going to apply this chemical peel on your face, you need to make sure that your skin is completely clean. You need to make sure that there is no makeup on your skin or there is no dirt on your skin. You could wash your face with a face wash and then dry it. Yeah, that is also one of the essential point, that before applying this one, you need to make sure that there is no water on your face. Obviously, you are going to wash it with the water later on, but before applying this one, you need to make sure that your skin is completely dry and you have to get rid of any water trace on your face. So that's that. Now next thing, let's talk about timing. So when you are applying this one on your face, you should not be leaving it on your face for more than 10 minutes. Even if you have sensitive skin or acne prone skin, I would say that you can leave it for nearly 5 to 7 minutes and then wash it off, but do not leave it for more than 10 minutes. You could actually use it on the acne prone skin as well, but you need to make sure that you do not have any active acne when you are applying this one. If you will apply this on the active acne, it would be burning like hell. So you have to be careful over there. Talking about the frequency, you should not be using it more than once a week. Anything more than once a week could make your skin quite sensitive. Although the Ordinary website says that you could use it twice a week, and I think it's mentioned on the product itself, but I would say that because it is chemical exfoliant, and if you are actually new to this game, I would say once a week is perfect for the usage. Talking about next thing, when you are applying this one, you should not be mixing it up with any active ingredients. So I'm quite sure that you guys know that you cannot mix any other active like retinols or niacinamides with this one. But what I'm saying is that the day that you are using this one, once you wash your face, do not use active that particular day. Rather, give it a break for like 15-20 minutes and moisturize your face with something that is really soothing or with a heavy moisturizer. Anything that is like Centella asiatica or aloe vera or any heavy moisturizer would work, but just make sure that you are not using any active ingredients on that particular day. So some days back, someone DM'd me on the Instagram and asked if this product is safe to be used by a teenager. I would say if you are somewhere between 20 to 50 years, you are perfectly fine to use this product. This product, as I mentioned earlier as well, is quite gentle. It actually clears up any dead skin, it brightens up your skin, and somewhere I would say that it also works upon the fine lines, because obviously it has AHA and BHA. It has so many acids like salicylic acid, tartic acid, lactic acid, glycolic acid. So these are actually going to work wonder on your skin. When we have talked about so many things that we have to be careful about, let's come to the easier parts, that's application and results. So as I have told you earlier as well, the product is quite liquidy and deep red in color. When you apply it on your face, it looks like something vampire facials or vampire blood. When you apply this product on your face, it will give you a slight tingling sensation. It's same as when you apply bleach on your face or your regular face packs are drying up. It would not burn up your face, considering that you would have done patch test. Now after 10 minutes of application, you have to wash your face like how you would wash off your regular face pack. The results would be exactly same like how you would get after a physical exfoliant, just that your skin would not be damaged or torn up by that harsh particles. I've been using this product from Ordinary for a year now, and I don't think I'm going back to physical scrubs ever. I love this product, but because now I'm in India, I think I'm going to find something local with the same ingredients. So that's all I wanted to talk about this product and chemical exfoliants. I hope that you guys are not afraid to put chemical exfoliants on your face now, but if you still do have any questions, put them down in the comment section below and I would love to answer. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please share it with your family and friends, and guys, if you haven't done yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. It's absolutely free guys, but it will motivate me further to create such content for you guys. And also don't forget to click on that bell icon so that you can be notified each and every time I upload a new video. See you next time. Till then, bye bye.